So, good morning everyone. Pagpasensyahin na akong tingog ko sa kay medyo pagapagal ko. Okay, so let's answer your assignment. So, in your assignment, the problem states that a masonry dam trapezoidal in shape is 3 meters wide and at the top. So, therefore, if it says 3 meters wide at the top, wait ha. Okay, so it says here that 3 meters wide at the top. So therefore, this is 3 meters wide. So natay 3 meters wide at the top and 18.8 meters wide at the base. So therefore, this is 18.8 meters and 24.4 meters high. So therefore, the height of our dam is 24.4 meters. For example, so this is 24.4 meters. There is a certain height of H of water acting against its vertical upstream and beneath it. There is also water pressure varying intensity from full hydrostatic pressure at A to zero pressure at B. Under the above condition, it is desired that the resultant of all forces acting on the dam cuts the base of the dam at 7.15 meters from B. If W is equal to 1 ton per m³ for water and masonry weighs 2.4 tons per m³, determine the height H of water. So for example, we have height H here at the upstream. So we can now say that at this part, this is the upstream. So if this is the upstream, so asa man dapita ato ang toe. So therefore, our toe is at B. So this is our toe. Okay? So, iyong anong buhaton is to find if asa dapita ang toe and heel sa inyong dam. So, for this situation, this is our toe right here. Kani diri dapita akong toe. Okay? Sige. Now, what's next? Tapos siya laing given. Na siya given diri na there is also pressure varying in intensity from full hydrostatic pressure at A to 0 at B. So, this is our uplift pressure. So, kaning statement dire, water pressure varying in intensity, muna siya ato ang uplift. Kuha ninyo? Sige. So, let's draw what is given. So, it says there that ato ang uplift is, so to siya, full from A and then 0 to paingon sa B. So, full there siya diri. And 0 to B. Ingon ana. So, this is our uplift. So, muna ni siya ato ang uplift pressure. And then, we know, di ba class, na ang formula sa atong uplift pressure is what? Sa formula sa atong uplift pressure, unit weight of water times the unsa man height of water above this point. So therefore we have unit weight of water times H, because that is the height of water at point A. Okay? And at point B, since there is no height of water at that point, so it is 0. Okay? And it is also given sa problem that ang pressure at B, ang uplift pressure at B is also 0. Okay. Now we have the uplift. Okay, now let's proceed to naming all the forces. So what forces we have here is the weight sa ato ang dam. Since this is a trapezoidal dam, we can separate the two shapes. So natay rectangle and triangle. So we have weight 1 here, then we also have weight 2 here. Okay, kana. So pilain water pressure. Okay, so for our water pressure, this is our water pressure. So if this is our water pressure, so at this part we have our F1. So F1 kana. What else? Since we have uplift pressure, therefore we have uplift force. So for our uplift force, we have our uplift force here. U1. Okay? So, this, mura ni siya ang ato ang forces. We have W1, W2, F1, and U1. Sige. Now, let's find the value of each forces. So for our W1, say formula sa atong W1, unit weight of the dam times the volume. So unsa may unit weight sa atong dam? It states here that it is 2.4 tons per m cube. So we have 2.4 tons per m cube times the volume 3 times, isa pa, 24.4 times 1 meter strip. Kuha? Okay, so if you are about to calculate that, wala matong answer. We have 175.68 tons. So muna to ang force W1. Okay, so for our W2, still it is masonry dam, so 2.4 times the volume. So we have 1/2 times the base. So if the whole base is 18.8 and at this point is 3, so therefore our base at this part is 15.8. So we have 15.8 times the height 24.4 times 1 meter strip. So W2 is equal to 462.624 tons. Okay. Now, let's proceed to F1. So, for our F1, so formula sa F1, unit weight of liquid times the barred age times the projected area. So, we have unit weight of liquid. Isa may liquid nato dere, water. So, it is given here that it is 1 ton per m cube. So, we have 1 ton per m cube here times barred H. What is our barred H? It is H over 2. H over 2 times the projected area. H times pila? H times 1. The projected area ani is rectangular. Kuha ninyo? So, unsang area ang naigo ani na pressure? Kanina pressure, unsang area ha? It is rectangular area. So, we have H times the 1 meter strip. So, F1 now is equal to 0.5 H squared. Okay. Now, for our uplift. Sige. So, sa ato ang uplift, so, our uplift, di ba, kay, ang formula sa uplift nato, okay, how will I explain this? Okay, for example, klasa, for example, this is your projected area. No, let's just say this is. Okay. Okay, let's say we have pressure here. So, for example, naatay mga pressure dire. Okay. For example, kani siya class. Ang question nako is, kana. Okay. Try to imagine ha. You have a box underneath the water. So, for example, niko natay box nga naa siya dinit sa tubig. So, for example, this box is a rectangular box. So, we have 3 meters. For example, lang natay 3 meters na box dire, and this box is 6 meters. 3 by 6 meters by 1 meter. Kana. Okay. And ang question is, pila ang pressure at the top of the box? So, pila daw ang ato ang pressure kaning dirin dapita sa box kaning. Kuha ninyo? So, ang question is ang pressure at the top of the box. So, kani. So, pila ang pressure dirin dapita. So, how will you compute the pressure at this part? Huh? Ini, pilay pressure dire. And let's say for example, ang box kay it is 5 meters from the surface. So, saan nga nato pag-compute ang pressure ato? Okay. So, to compute the pressure at the top sa box, we have 9.81 times the SG of water times what? Times 5. Diba? So, therefore, this is the pressure at the top. What ninyo? Tukan ko dire. So, we have here 9.81. So, pressure at the top is 9.81 times 1 times 5, which is 49.05 kilonewton per m squared. So, that is the pressure at the top of the box. Nakuha ninyo? Okay. Now, if I ask you, pila man ang force at the top sa ato ang box? So, pila daw ang force? So, asa man mabutang ato ang force? Since this pressure is rectangular pressure, so ang ato ang pressure is located, so ato ang force is only located at the center. Sa ato ang specific gravity, sa ato ang shape, sa ato ang pressure. So, this is our force at the top. Kuha? So, in order for us to get the F top, all we need to do is 49.05 multiply it by the projected area of that pressure. So, what is the projected area of that pressure? It is 3 times 6. So, 49.05 times 3 times 6, we have 882.9 kilonewton na answer. So, this is the force at the top. Okay? Nakuha? So, asa man nato malocate ng ato ang F top? So, at the center. Okay? Okay. Now, let's apply the same principle sa ato ang dam. Okay? So, let's apply. So, sa ato ang uplift pressure, it is triangular. Diba? So, for example, let's make this uplift pressure nato. Instead of triangular ang ato ang shape, let's make it a full rectangular shape or uniform shape. So, for example, let's say, atong i-full ang ato ang uplift pressure. So, i-full siya nato klasa. And then, let's apply the principle of this one to our uplift pressure. So, ato i-apply itong atong gidiscuss kanina part. Let's apply this. So, in applying this principle, so if the pressure at this part is unit weight of water times H, unit weight of water nato, pila man tong gingon dire, it is 1 ton m cube. So, unit weight of water is 1 ton per m cube times h. So that is the pressure at heel. So that is the pressure at heel. And then is also equal pressure at toe. So 1 ton m cube times h. Diba? Okay. Now, for example, triangular pa siya ha. I mean, rectangular pa. Dili siya triangular. Ito ang uplift. So, since this is our uplift, it is a rectangular uplift, how will we get the force at the bottom of our dome? So, applying this principle, it is F at the bottom. F at the bottom is equal to the pressure at the bottom times the projected area. So, what is the pressure at the bottom? It is 1 ton per m cube times h. So, this is the pressure at the bottom. And then, what is the projected area of that pressure? As you can see, whole pa ha, we are not considering the given uplift, the triangular uplift. We are considering first the rectangular uplift na itong example. Okay. So, what is the area? It is, the projected area is 18.8 times 1 meter strip. Considering 1 meter strip. So, we have F bottom. So, what is the answer for our force at the bottom? So, we have So, we have 18.8 H force at the bottom. No? So, asa man nato ni malocate? So, syempre, asa nato ni na-locate? Kani siya, nasa sa tunga. So, therefore, napod din siya sa tunga. So, this is our F bottom. Nakuha ninyo? Okay. Now, the given for our problem is we have a full pressure 1 ton per m cube times h at the heel and 0 at point B. So, unsa man na nato? So, let's consider the problem na jud. So, let's delete the sample na to. So, bali, kanina lang ang atuang nabilin. Considering the given sa atong problem ha, kana na lang class. It is half na lang kanina. So, pila man na? Kanina, di ba, nakita na to, muna siya 18.8 H. But, sa atong problem, giingon sa atong problem is, at point A, it is full 1 ton per m cube times H. And then at B is 0. So, kuhaan lang siya na to og katunga. So, muna na siya pressure sa ato ang uplift. So, therefore, the pressure for our uplift is pila man? Katunga sa ato ang full pressure at the bottom. Okay? Katunga sa ato ang force sa bottom. Okay, ato man ang gitunga. Diba? So, for example, kani, you have to imagine, kana. And then, sa problem kay, triangular siya. Pagkuha niyo sa triangular, let's say, itong kuhaon ang triangular. Kuhaon na to, ha? Na siya matangtang. Okay. So, for example, kani, ato na niyo siyang kuhaon. tungkwaon. Kaya ang given naman sa problem kay half naman, di ba? Pagkuha na to ano sa may forma niya, half ra ang nawala. So therefore, ang uplift pressure sa tuang dam is 1/2 of the full force at the bottom. So we have 1/2 over 2. So we have 9.4 H. Kuha niya? So asa manigikan kaning 18.H, ga-imagine pata na full ang uplift sa ato ang dam. So if full ang uplift sa ato ang dam, this principle right here ang ato ang pwedeng igamiton. But sa ato ang problem is triangular lang man siya, only the half sa ato ang nakuha ani. So therefore 18.8H divide by 2 is muna siya ang uplift pressure nga nabilin lang sa ato ang dam for the given situation. Since this is triangular na class, therefore asa man nato ibutang ang ato ang uplift force. So at the 1/3. So na siya dapita dire. Kuha ninyo? Okay. So, you can, what? Pwede ninyo ni siya magamit na principle. But since this is, sa tawagan na, triangular, which is half lang pod, so, sama na ninyo if half. So, you just have to divide the F bottom, katong full force pa siya, by 2. Kuha? Okay. So, our uplift pressure here, or uplift force here is 9.4 H. Okay. Now, pataka-answer. So, the question is, determine the height H of the water. So, usama na to ni siya pag-determine ang height H sa taong water. So, all we need to do, so mani, okay. So, easy lang. Wait sa. Kadayo transfer. So, saan man ni nato ron? Okay. Ningon po siya dire. Naman po siya given, di ba? It states at our problem that the resultant of all forces, Ry ang pasabutan niya, acting on the dam, cuts the base of the dam at 7.15 from B. So, unsa may pasabot ana? So, therefore, ang pasabot ana is ato ang Ry is na-locate siya. Our Ry is located our Ry is located 7.15 meters from B. 7.15 meters from B. So we have that given. So we have to use that given. So if we have Ry, so let's get the value for our Ry. So sa may Ry na to ani. Okay, let's get this. Okay. So, pila may Ry na to ani class? So, unsa tong Ry? It is the summation Fy equal to 0 and then Ry na to minus W1 minus W2 sa pa plus U1 na siya tong Ry. So, Ry now become laton W1. So, kamo ni bala ha. So, in my answer here, my Ry is 638.304 minus 9.4 H. So, that is my Ry. So, substitute lang everything. You have to substitute this, kani, substitute, then kani. Okay, so I have Ry. Now, we can now proceed to summation of moment. So, mag-summation moment at tota. So, summation moment at to, we have Ry na to is 638.304 minus times the distance 7.15. To? Okay. 7.15, isa pa. To ang U1 plus. U1 na to is, pilay value sa atong U1 gani? 9.4H times, pila man na? 2/3 of 18.8. Muna siya distance. So, pila in dire. F1 na to is plus, di ba? So, our F1, what is the value for our F1? F1 na to is 0.5 H squared. So, for our F1, we have 0.5 H squared times the distance. Pila distance? 1/3 H. So, that's your distance. What else? So, the remaining W1 and W2 is minus W1. Value for our W1 is 175.68 tons times the distance. So, this is 15.8 meters. Plus na siya sa tunga. So, this is 1.5. Since this is 3. 3 maning. So, pila man na. So, the distance is 15.8 plus 1.5. Sakto ba? Okay. Minus W2, 462.624. Ang distance niya is 2/3 of 15.8. Okay? So, using shift solve, h is equal to 23.488 meters. So, this is your final answer. Okay, let's check using Calcu. So, ba mag-calcu sa cellphone? 2/3. So, we have 3 values here, and the other, ang usa is 23.488, and the other 2 kay imaginary na. So, therefore, we have to select the real value, which is the 23.488 meters. So, this is our final answer. Okay? So, question. So, if you have question, you can ask me through our GC. Okay? Now, let's proceed to our second example. Okay. So, sa atong second example, it states here, a masonry dam with section shown is subjected to water pressure. So, let's say water pressure. So, the foundation is rock, and all given dimensions are in meters. So, ang given dimension ani sa problem is, this is 1 meter, this is 2 meters, and the height of our dam is 9 meters. And there is no given base. Ano siya given base? So, let's put here B. Siya given base. Ang unit weight sa itong masonry dam is 23.56 kN per m3. And then, the intensity of the hydrostatic pressure at the base varies 20% of the full hydrostatic pressure at the heel to 0 at the toe. So, determine the following. So, we have A to J. So, the first question is determine the hydrostatic pressure acting on the upstream side of the dam in kilonewton. Sige. So, first, what is the first thing to do? We have to locate where is the toe and the heel. Since na ay ang tubig dire, mas dako ang water pressure at this part. So, we can conclude that our toe is at this point. So, this is our toe. And this is our heel. Okay. Now, let's get the sa may line dire kanang forces. Sa may forces na to. So, dito sa W forces. So, we have W here. This is our weight 1. What else? Kani po dire. Weight 2. ano na, separated na sila na. This is rectangular and this is triangular. And then, sa pamailain, anara, sige, water pressure, so natay water pressure at this point. So we know nga atong water pressure is always perpendicular to our surface. No? So perpendicular to our surface. So this is F1. Okay. What else? Aside sa F1, we also have pressure at this point. So the pressure at that point, mura tagningon ba? What is, for example, this is a box. Example, mo niyo siya box. So what is the pressure at the bottom of that box? So pressure at the bottom, ingon ani atong drawing, di ba? Muna siya pressure at the bottom. Okay? So therefore, our pressure here is F2. Kuha ninyo? So you have to apply the principles nga inyong na-learn atong mga niadging lesson na to, class, ha? You have to always kanabang inyong dapat i-review and always retain the principle you have learned sa ato ang mga previous lessons. Dili pwedeng kung sa principle aning karon na lesson, mura pa inyong namduman. You can always use the principles you learned sa atong mga previous lessons. Okay? Kaya if ako nindrik taon, I will not explain kung asa ni na principle gikan. Of course, maglibog na mo. I know, dili kinahanglan spoon feed mo because you are third year and college students, civil engineering students. So, it is common sense na kung sa tong inyong na-learn, you have to apply po sa ito ang mga future lessons. Okay? Dili kayo na itong kalimtan. Kuha ninyo? Okay. So, we have F1 and F2. What else? Ni-state ba sa problem nga na siya uplift? Yes. It's stated there that intensity of hydrostatic pressure at the base varies uniformly from 20% to 0 at the toe. Kana. So, muna siya uplift. So, if may muna ganig intensity of the hydrostatic pressure, then that is already the uplift of your dam. Okay. So, niyon sa to siya, nada mo'y uplift pressure. Okay. Tayo uplift pressure here. So, atong uplift pressure is 20% daw diri. So, 20% divide 100 is 0.2 unit weight of water times unsa man ang height of water at this point sa atong hill pila, which is 9. So pila man ato ang pressure at this part, pressure at hill, pila atong pressure at hill? 9 times 0.2, it is 9.8 ay 1.8 times unit weight sa ato ang liquid. Wala ra ba nag-ingog? 9.1 ra ba gamit? Okay. So let's just do this. So this is 9.81. Okay. So 9 times 0.2 times 9.81 is 17.658 kilonewton per m square. Oh, mangutan na. Disagi ka ng 0.2, ma'am. Dili ba dapat unit weight of water and times the height of the water above hill? No, it is because it's stated in the problem na 20% class of 20% of the full hydrostatic pressure at the hill. So you have to consider the 20%. Okay. So P at hill is 17 and P2 is 0. Okay. So, sama na to pagkuha na. So, we have U1 here. Kana. Sige, ato sang i-apply to atong nakatunan sa uplift B. Ngayon sa ko sa uplift. So, if maglibog mo kanang triangular, himua usa na og full. Sige. Tagai ko og force if ang ato ang pressure at the bottom sa ato ang dam is full. If may kong full, 17.658 siya from heel to toe. Tagay ko. So, 17.658 times the projected area. Pila? B. Kumanta. Anong B man akong gibutan diha? It is because base, we have no given value for our base. So, B. B times 1 meter strip. Muna siya force at the bottom sa ato ang dam if ang ato ang pressure all throughout from heel to toe is 17.658. So that is the force. But this is a triangular uplift pressure. So kuan lang nimo og half niya, muna na siya imuhang U sub 1. So i-divide nato siya og 2. Okay. If di good mo kasabot, then you can ask me question about this one. Or you can approach me. Di gid siya masabtan. Nakuha. So, pila naman na? 17.658 over 2. So, we have, pila atong U1? So, our U1 is 8.829B. Oh, mga tanong mo anong B, ma'am? Basta may projected area ani na pressure. It is rectangular. So, unsa nga rectangular? It is base times 1 meter strip. Munang, we have no given value for our base. So, let's just put it as is B. Okay. Kaugtas man ni class. Okay. For our W1. Okay, W1. Tagay ko. For our W1. Ningon ba to siya? Pila to ato ang unit weight sa atong masonry? It is 23.56 times the volume. 2 times 1 times 1 meter strip. So, W1 is 47.12 kilonewton. Okay, W2. 23.56. Tanag, asa ka ng 23.56, ma'am? That is in the given. So, nakay 23.56 times, that is triangular. So, area, 1/2. Base, times height, 9. Times 1 meter strip. So, W2 is equal to 106.02B. Okay, sa sunod. F1 and F2. Sige, F1 sa F1. So, 9.81 times barred edge, 9/2 times projected area, 9 times 1 meter strip. So, F1 is 397.305 kilonewton. Now, for our F2, so ng F2, mura na magaingon nga, what, for example, this is the box. What is the pressure at the bottom of this box? Saan? Yun sa natuto kanina. Ha? We have 9.81. Saan? Times 2 times awa na kasabot. Okay, nani na lang. Oh, murag ingon ani class ba? Kana, if mingon na pud ko at the bottom. Pila man ning at the bottom? Pressure at the bottom. Sige, tagay ko. Pressure at the bottom, ani. That is 9.81. If that is water, o sige, water. 81 times 1 times ang iyang height, 5 plus 1. Muna siya, pressure at the bottom. So, we have 58.86. Pero akong gipangita is force man. Force bottom. So, saan man na nimo? So, ang ato ang 58.86 times na to og projected area na 6 times 1. So, muna na siya to ang pressure at, force at the bottom. Now, katong giansiran karon atong F2 diha natay pressure. So, first is the pressure. Okay, 9.81. So, we have 9.81. So, unit SG sa tubig, 1 times, kani siya klasa, unit weight of water times SG. Kana, pressure usa. So, let's say, pressure times, pilayang height, 2 meters. Pressure at this part, this is 2 meters. Wala na katong gatube mo, diba? 0. Kay open air. Dayon, paubos. Paubos siya, diba? Since paubos siya, ato siyang i-add. So, pilay height niya, 9.81 times 1 SG times the height. So, muna na siya pressure at this part. So, therefore, kani siya na part class, this is the pressure. Diba? Then, para mahimo siyang force, times na to siya og projected area. So, what is the projected area? It is 1 times 1 meter strip. So, pila man na to ang F2? Kuya. 19.62 kilonewton. Okay. So, natatanan. Nalata U1, W1, W2, F1, and F2. Okay. First question is, determine the hydrostatic pressure daw acting on the upstream side. So, so may pasabutan ng hydrostatic pressure acting. Huh? So, may answer na to na. So, sa may mga hydrostatic pressure na to, we have F1 and F2. So, total hydrostatic pressure acting on the upstream side of the dam. So, lahi siya natay horizontal hydrostatic pressure and vertical hydrostatic pressure. So, our answer here is F1. So, our answer here is F1 and F2. So, that is for our letter A. Kuha? Sige. Now, let's move on to letter B. Letter B. Yung sa si letter B. Yung sa si letter B, determine the width of the base such that no tension will occur at the base. Ningon siya dali ha? No tension. Ningon sa gani ko? Ha? Ningon sa ko sa notes? If moingon ganig no tension will occur at the base, dapat atong barred x from the toe is what? Is equal to B over 3. Kaning barred x sa class, gikan ni siya sa toe ha, from the toe. Okay, so we have that. Okay. So, mali pag-copy. Sige. Ngayon siya dire, no tension will occur. So, therefore, our Ry is located B over 3. Kana. So, wala tension mo occur diha. Naya pasabot. So, what we need to do here is to get our Ry first. So, getting Ry, we have summation Fy is equal to 0. So, W1 is minus W1. Pilay W1. 47.12 minus W2. 106.02B. Ito ba? And then, sa pa, U1 plus U1 plus 8.829B plus F2. Pila yung F2 na to? 19.62. Sige. So, Ry na to is 97.191B plus 27.5. So, muna siya ito ang Ry. Okay. So, summation moment at toe. Summation moment toe. So, Ry, 57.191B times B over 3. Siya pa, U1 plus U1. U1 na to is 8.829B times 2/3 of the base. Sa palain. Sa palain maka-add. Plus F1. F1 na to is 397.305 times 1/3 sa ato ang 9. Sa palain. F2. Plus F2 Sakto na ba ni? F2 na to is 19.62 times B plus 1 over 2. Distance man dire, this is B. Then, kani, muna yan distance. So, distance ano niya pa na. That is B plus 1 half. Kuha? Okay. Minus W1. Pilay W1. 47.12 times B plus 1 half. Minus W2. 106.02B times 1/3 B. Ito ba? Okay. Ay. Ay, 2/3. 2/3 siya dapat. Okay. So, kakuha ta og base, diba? So, B is equal to 5.75 meters. So, na siya ato ang value for our base. Now, sige pangita ato, sa itong letter B, determine the width of the base. So, therefore, our final answer is this. B is equal to 5.75 meters. Okay. Let's proceed to letter C. Yung sa man diya sa letter C class. Yung sa letter C. Now, let's have letter C here. Minsan si letter C, calculate the total weight of the dam considering the above conditions. Consider the width of the base such that no tension will occur. So, kung sa to ang B nakuha, muna to siyang i-consider. So, total weight of the dam will be total weight of the dam is equal to, pila man? Of course, W1 plus W2. So, W1, total weight, let's say WT, total weight. So, that is total weight. So, ato i-substitute na ang value sa ato ang B. So, pila man? 5.75. So, therefore, our total weight is equal to 656.735 kilonewton. Okay, let me check if sakto ba ni. Okay, so this is our final answer. This is our final answer for letter C. Okay. Next, letter D. Determine the uplift pressure which is acting at the base of the dam in kilonewton. So, considering the above conditions. So, dali ra. Our D is, pila tong uplift? 8 U1 ra, diba? Substitute lang. 5.75. So, U1 is equal to 50.77 kilonewton. Okay, let me check. Okay, basig masiklet na po ito. Okay. Sunod. DE na po. Calculate the total vertical reaction. So, when you say total vertical reaction, that is our RY. So, for our RY, so matotong RY ka na in terms of B. So, this is our RY. This is our RY. RY. So, 97.191 times 5.75. So, RY is equal to, pila man yung RY na to? That is equal to 586.35 kilonewton. Sunod, EF. Sa itong F na ta, F. Okay. Letter F. Sa question sa F. The writing moment at the toe. So, unsa may mga writing moment na to ani? So, unsa may makapakos sa to ang overturning moment. Ngam overturn. So, we have U1, F1, sa pa, F2. Mora. So, therefore, our writing moment kay ang W1 and W2. Sakto ba? Sakto? Okay. So, bali, ato ang OM writing moment sa data. So, writing moment. So, this is our RM and this is our OM. So, at the toe na sila klasa, at the toe always. So, muratag mag-moment at the toe. Ang location na to kay paingon sa ato ang toe. So, sa atong W1. So, we have W1 is 47.12 times distance paingon sa toe. We have B, and we know our B is equal to 5.75 meters. So, we have 5.75 plus 1/2. Okay, 1/2. Sa pilain. W2, what is our W2? So, our W2 is 106.02B. 5.75 times its distance. It is 2/3 of B. So, RM is equal to, let's check. So, 2631.36 kilonewton meter. Sunod, ang G. Ang question sa G is determine the overturning moment. So, overturning moment na punta. So, we have overturning moment is U1. Pila U1 na to ba? U1 is 50. U1 is 50.77 times the distance to the toe, 2/3 of 5.75 plus F1. Wala F1 na to. F1 is 397.305 times 1/3 of 9. F2 is 19.62 times 5.75 plus 1/2. So, overturning moment is equal to times 1/3 of 9. So, we have 1509.158 kilonewton meter. This is 8. Okay. Sunod. GH. Determine the location of the total vertical force from the toe. So, location GH. So, we know our location barred X is equal to B over 3. So, 5.75 over 3. That is 1.917 meters. Sa I, determine the factor of safety against overturning. So, what is the formula for FSO? FSO is equal to RM over OM. So, RM na to is 2631.36 all over 1509.158. So, factor of safety is 1. Ito ba? 1.535. So, that is greater than 1. So, safe. Safe ba? Okay, so that is safe. Then, last is if the coefficient of friction between the masonry is 0.6, determine the base width so that Fs against sliding is 1.5. So, we know that FSS is equal to Ry over Rx. So, we have atong kwaon is ang base. For example, wala pa tay base kani pa wala ta kabalo pila atong B. So, FSS na to is given na siya nga 1.5 and then this is 0.6. And then for our RY, pila to ato ang kuan sa RY? RY na to is 97 dara kani sa in terms of B sa ta kay B may pangitaon 191B plus 27.5 kana over Rx. Pilay Rx usara is equal to F1 ratong Rx. Pilay values F1 397.305. So, pilay B. So, 9.936 meters. So, this is our B. So, muna siya itong mga answer, ha? This is our answer. Kana. Okay. So, if you have question, you can still ask dito lang sa GC class. Now, this part, this is for our final example. Okay. This is your assignment. Kuha. So, we will be, ako na i-check. Deadline for this is on Friday. So, ato na siya i-check sa Friday class, ha? Masa man ang Friday? So, Friday? 24. Okay. Okay. So, kanang di mo tanaw sa video ani, wala assignment. Kaya di man nakabalo sila if nyatag di kog assignment, di ba? Unless inyong sutian nga na assignment. Nara na ninyo. Kuha ninyo. Sige. So, if So, October 24, 2025, we will be answering this assignment. Ako pa mo discussan ako tanan, ako ra tanan. So, dapat kamo pod sa inyong part. Kuha. So, sa tong problem, kulang din ang given. Okay, so, this is 0.6 meters. This is also 0.6 meters. Kanin dire is 1.80 meters. Else, this is 1.2 meters. Na. So, ayun naman po kung calculate the total weight, the vertical force, the location, then Pmax and Pmin. Okay? Okay. So, this is your assignment and inyo nang ipasa October 24, 2025. Kaya ito na siyang i-check. Okay. So, if you have questions atong duha ka examples na na-discuss karon, you can chat sa GC or you can wait until Friday para maka-approach mo na ako personally. And then, maybe tomorrow, adto lang ko sa eskwelahan, then you can still approach me anytime sa office. Okay? Okay, so, thank you everyone. Bye.